Good morning. How are my Fab Firsties? Happy Thursday. It's March 26th. It is day 134 of school. You are going to start your day today by doing your calendar and weather and tally chart that we do usually. We're looking here today. You're also going to do a random act of kindness today. It can be for someone in your house. It can be for a neighbor. It could be calling someone who you're not able to see right now. So you're going to do that today. You're going to choose one spelling activity from your choice board to do with our spelling words this week. I also just have a little reminder on there about the home safari that you're able to watch every day at 3. You know I'm an animal lover, if you can't tell by the background. So they're doing some really cool things at the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Gardens where they're going into their zoo every day and opening it up for you on your computer to learn about a different animal every day. So that happens at 3 o'clock, Monday through Friday. Then you're going to log into Epic and listen to 2 books of your choice. You can either choose them or I put a bunch in all of your mailboxes also. Then you're going to read a Scholastic News. It has a bear cub on the cover. I've given you a few Scholastic Newses. Just save them until I ask you to read them. So today you're going to read the bear cub issue and do the quiz on the back. Excuse me. For math, you're going to draw a picture using only basic shapes. So if the shape is not listed on here, you can't use it. So you're looking to use circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. That's it, those 4 shapes. See what you can create. And then you're doing 2 pages in your math book, 145 and 146. For science, you're gonna be planning out your PEEP raft. If you don't have a PEEP, you can use a marshmallow. If times have gotten desperate and you've eaten all of your marshmallows and you've created s'mores, I get it. Find something else that's sort of light. Maybe you could ball up a piece of tin foil or make a tin foil into a square or into the shape of a PEEP, something that would be about the same weight as a PEEP or a marshmallow. And you're gonna make a raft. On your PEEP raft paper, I don't care about these materials. This is what we were gonna do if we were to do it in our class. But since you're at home, I want you to just find whatever you can find to make a raft. I don't want you to go to the store. I don't want you to buy anything. I just want you to maybe go to the recycle bin or in the trash or something that's laying around that would be able to get wet because it's going to be a raft, so it's going to be floating in water. So today, all you're doing is planning out your raft. There is a planning page right here. And it just gets you thinking about, instead of just jumping in and doing it, planning it out first, which is what we do in all of our subjects. Before we write, we plan it out. So before you do this, you're going to list all your materials and you're going to sketch out what you think it'll look like when you build it. Tomorrow you're going to build it. Tomorrow you're going to test it out. But today you're just planning. You're in the planning stage. Okay, so that is your day. So I am so proud of you guys. I am seeing science experiments. I'm hearing amazing reading. I am seeing activities that you took from here, but took them like 2 more levels up on your own. I'm seeing things that aren't on here that are so creative, and you're just learning. Your brains are literally exploding in your head because they're getting so big, and I am amazed. So I'm so proud. Thank you for sharing everything on Seesaw. I miss you guys tons. You have no idea. And the hermit crabs are doing great. They really come out at night to eat. It's kind of amazing. And they're all huddled together during the day. So I think they're missing you guys because they are just on top of each other. So I'm going to start tomorrow morning. As you do every morning, you go on to Google Classroom and you see my video, this one, and then you read the question of the day. I've decided that I'm also going to write a morning message for you like I do in class. I kind of miss writing to you guys. So every morning you're going to go to Google Classroom like you have been doing, or mid-morning or afternoon, whenever your school is. School can happen whenever it happens. So whenever you come to school at your home, you go to Google Classroom and you listen to my video, watch my video, you answer the question of the day, and then I'll have a morning message there. And then most everything else is happening on Seesaw. So that's where you're able to go onto your app on mom or dad's phone, or maybe you have the app uploaded on an iPad that you use, or so that's where you kind of share everything with me, which is what I'm loving seeing, because I'm able to see your writing and hear your reading, and it's mind-blowing. So keep up the great work, guys, and I will talk to you tomorrow, Friday. Bye.